You can fade the video clip or footage in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more presets and effects for life. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Click on your video clip, select it and highlight it, go down and scroll to the right. See the option which says opacity. In case it's more to the right and it's next to reverse, stabilize. If you click this slider icon, notice that it's at 100%. Drag this to the right. Notice how the video clip is getting darker. And once you're happy or satisfied, you can click the check mark. If you want this to fade in, or the opacity, basically what you can do is diamond icon right here, and it adds a keyframe. Go to the video where you'd like to fade in. Diamond icon, it adds another keyframe. And video clip is still selected and highlighted. Go back and click opacity and drag this to the right. The check mark. This is what we have. Or should I say this is the before? This is the after. You have now successfully faded in the video clip or footage in Capcut Mobile completely for free.